Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing a pair of stereo earphones. These are wired earphones from Flix, which is a company of Beetle, and the model name happens to be Tone 110. Now, we are on the front side of the packaging where we see a couple of features being highlighted, namely the base of this pair of earphones. Then they state that this thing uses 3.5 mm audio plug. The wire length is about 1.2 meters. It's got a multifunction control pod, and they're also offering a certain period of warranty. You should always check your Amazon listing to understand exactly how much is being offered. On the side, you have a little bit of branding, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. Coming to the back side, we have some contact information for the manufacturer, followed by a note about the warranty, then about the company itself. Also, there's an alternate model number in case some people are wondering. It's XEP-E21. So that's it for everything that's listed on the packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. There's no documentation provided in wired earphones because these things are very easy to use, and all the remaining relevant information has already been written on the packaging itself. The accessory that we get with this happens to be extra ear tips. So you have small and large sized ear tips. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earbuds. Then let's get to the earphones. Now, it was written on the packaging that the cable is about 1.2 meters long, and it certainly does seem so. Then let's come to the control pod. We have a little branding on one side, and on the other side, that's a little inlet for the microphone, as well as the button to answer calls as well as cut calls. Then there's the connector, which is TRRS. That's because this thing has a microphone in it. The connector tip is not gold plated. Coming to the earbuds themselves, there's no magnetization, but this thing is angled so that the audio is properly channeled into your ear canal. And obviously, the medium-sized ear tips come pre-installed. So that's it for the unboxing of the Flix Tone 110 stereo earphones, also with the model number XEP-E21. Thank you for watching.